your country. The nation demands for devotions. Let us all unite to uphold her and me, and great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building our motherland. Ghana is our motherland. Why are we women, ladies and girls treated like this badly? Ghana is our motherland. God, please help us. Help the females in this country. For it was said by Dr. Agri that if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate a whole nation. And it was also said that behind every successful man, there is a good woman. Why na casa about tutua a trebemabo? Nana na ya santua no yo babesia. Na odi asantiman enim kwa akun. If she was able to do it, then it's time for us to rise and fight for our rights, to achieve better in our motherland. God, please help us.
Adama, what happened? Can't you answer me? Sister, Rachel, what happened?
My sent me and my daughter out from his house.
Jesus Christ. He sent you out. Why? What have you done? What have you done that he sacked you?
Just because I complain about his drunkenness.
Jesus Christ. You complain about his drunkenness and he sacked you just like that? Come. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Rachel, stop crying. Sister, you see, everything that happens to a human happens with a reason. So stop crying, okay? And you people have to spend the night here because it is already late. And I will go and meet him in his house tomorrow. I'll talk to him, right? So don't worry. Let's do this. Hey! Stay there! Stay Munchimu! Stay there! Please! Stay there, you are coming! Stay there, you are coming! Maybe how they say? Wait, I'm coming. Manka says me fear be. I didn't say. Me see me here no me fear be.
Asama si. What? I'm trying. You do anything away. I will plan na so e.
What me twede?
Me to twede. The way na me say jai. So abo me. Me Paul say.
E wo me fear.
Me ma bo.
Mumpie.
Nti wo ma enu ni nkomo.
What me twede?
Oh, what na me say.
Oh, me pie. Oh, how many?
Okay. What has happened?
Huh?
What has happened?
Happening, say. Me say,
Akunda.
Wakunda.
Eh, me
Oh, yeah, there.
I'm on. So, I didn't see.
Who knew this?
And talk on number. Mindy ho. What about the mini about Copen? Number was didn't see.
Yes, I said. Mumpie mfim fi anko.
Na so ba no ba gine fi be na ho ade. Na ba ye no ho ade pie kon wo ba gine fra busunya wo.
Me din san be ma me. Me din san be ma ne be di dan wo ade ablawu.
Akwata kire wo ade wo. Ye na wo ye.
Me pese me no benya problem.
Oh so. Wo ye ade no ka to wo ye. E de be no. Wo ye ade no ka to so ade na wo ye ne jai. Jai na wo bofu. Me ye wo ho ma wana.
Na unu say ho.
Amake.
Asema no be ka tell.
Asema be ka tell nti mo ba hai. Yo be ka tell nti mo ba hai.
Me fi so ma si o. Enti e de adwaman e ma asem de ye mfa nya we. Me di me say ki the boatu. So umpe no tutu umpe no a leave my house.
Bema. Ade na wo ye no. Wo benu ho.
Me benu me ho.
Wo benu ho.
Me benu me ho.
What am ka tell?
Akona me nu me ho. Kona me nu me ho. Ko unya we me.
Enye sa ne wo ya me dia konta be kite mabubo. Mabubo pa.
Oh, bia.
Me do nyame wo ya, duma be di me sa wase bia, wate. Sanfu na odi no. Ma na nya so ye go. Wo ye go let me David.
Wo nya di me make come aboso. Pie fi na me.
Hey, ade wo no, wo ya no, wate. Wo come here. Hey! Oh, come here.
Rich love.
Mommy.
Like I was saying, I have no choice to let you stay with your uncle to complete school. But you have to stay to complete the school, okay?
Mommy, I can't. I'll go with you. I can't stay here without you.
No, honey. I will do my best to work in the village to send you money for your needs. So please stay for me, okay? Please. And besides, you're on your final year. You can't go with me. Honey, you can't go with me, okay? Please, you can't go with me.
I can't live without you.
I know, but you have to stay. I know, I have to stay. Think about education first, okay? You have to stay. I will do my best to send you money for your needs, okay?
I don't feel any happiness in life. My father is maltreating my mom. It has even ended up a broken home.
Rich love, don't feel so depressed. Let's leave everything to God in prayer. Rich love, listen to me very well. My father died when I was at the age of 8 years. I've been living with my stepfather.
I have known you for a very long time, and you have never mentioned this to me. Yes. Seriously?
Yes, I didn't want to, but I think this is the right time. But the problem is my mom. She doesn't have time for my dad because she's a tomato seller. She leaves home early and come back late. I do everything for my dad. I cook for him, I wash his clothes, and even...
You don't mean it?
Yes. One morning. From that day, we've been doing it, even when my mom is home or even asleep.
Adama, what is it? What brought you here? Tell me. With all these bags. I've been asking you, you've been crying. Adama, what is the matter? Hey.
Nkrumah attacked me from his house.
Nkrumah?
Yes, please, mommy.
Why?
My name is Mr. Nkrumah. You can call me. Shauma. Now, see, we need to get anything you want, just ask me. Maybe I'll do it for you.
Are you cold, Jimmy Sweat? For banana, me ya, to my way. Oh, for banana, me ya.
Hey,
for banana, me ya, to my way.
That's
one country.
when we all stop. Such a friend you are
but one country so no be a date.
Why am I hearing yes, I'm not dating? Meaning, giant me do better.
Oh, and no, my dear, mind you, Wendy.
Ah, madam.
Are they?
Again, I'll pay me.
There be something I can't credit me.
David.
So why you
See, with your old backroom, and penny when I'm a fast with the hour. And give me why, send me permit my one be a come.
But I go back to the me. So,
Let me be.
What has got over him? Did you inform your brother?
Please, mommy, Uncle must sack me and my brother.
Sack you and your brother?
Yes. He couldn't listen to us.
Hey, Nkrumah. Advising him to stop drinking. He sacked you from the house.
Mommy, I'm very, very sure.
Are you sure you didn't do anything bad?
Mommy, nothing. You know me. You know me, mommy.
Adoma, I'm your mother. If anything, just tell me. Talk to me. I don't want to be a bad in-law. Tell me. Mommy. Apart from the drink, talking about his drinking, did you do something again?
No.
Are you sure?
Mommy, I'm very, very sure.
Okay. I'll see what I can do. If that's the case, just take your suitcase inside. We'll talk about it tomorrow. And Nkrumah sack it from the house. Just because you're advising him. Hey, he has a pounds. Stop crying, my daughter. Carry the suitcase inside. It's alright. Stop crying. Hey, you can't kill yourself, my darling. Because he drive you away from his house. You want to kill yourself? Adoma?
Mommy, I love him.
Hey. Love. It's alright, my dear. It's alright, yeah? I know you love him. Let's take it cool, right? Everything will be okay. I'll go to the city and talk to him. Don't worry. Take your suitcase inside.
We did today was very hard.
yeah, I wasn't comfortable at all.
Miss will say,
But Marie, I'm having some emotion that makes me restless and depressed. Why are you laughing at me?
small boys are young.
See, I'm very serious. I'm not joking. You know you are the only person I share my problems with. So why are you laughing at me?
I'm not laughing at you. Okay, listen. Okay. Seriously speaking, this is what we call ovulation. And this is the time that you can get pregnant.
So you mean I should have sex?
No. It's not having sex always solve this. You see this?
Yes.
Good. You can touch it with your clitoris whenever you feel horny. But also you have to start looking for a boyfriend.
I'm just 15 years.
Into the eye.
Master, you're not a good friend.
Rich love, listen. Okay, you just calm down, listen.
Do you think what you're doing with your father is right and perfect?
No. You don't have any parent now. I don't think your dad cares about you or your mom. If your father didn't have to pay for. My dad do everything for me. I must say, sex is good, Rachel. Not that I'm not a good friend, but I want the best for you. Just understand me.
Is that the only option?
Yes.
I finished running. Hey, mother. Mommy, I wanted to ask you something.
What is it?
Please, can you help me some money to travel to the city to see my daughter?
My dear, I've been thinking about this.
It's been a long time I heard from her.
Don't worry. I'll see what I can do.
Okay, Mom.
Okay?
Right.
You don't have to worry.
Okay.
Hmm?
Thank you, Mom.
Give me a smiling face. Adom.
Mommy.
Ready.
Thank you.
I was expecting you yesterday. I called.
I was very busy. So busy.
Wait, love. Are you okay? Is the food ready? Good. So, how's the market?
Very fine. You're just managing.
Things are moving.
Quite well.
We thank God. Let's eat, and afterwards, then we will discuss 1, 2, 3 things. Joe, let's eat.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm very, very okay.
Good. Joe, I will go to a funeral tomorrow morning at Apam, and I will not come. I will come the next day.
Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, it's a
I would
friend's.
have gone with you.
Oh, it's a friend's funeral.
Oh,
It's a
come
friend's funeral, so I decided not to worry you.
You're really taking good care of your daughter.
Ah, she's my niece, oh.
Your niece.
Rich love! Rich love! What happened to your legs? Tell me, what happened to your legs?
I have broken my virginity. Shout.
Like seriously?
Yes, I have broken my virginity.
Joe comes to our house while my uncle wasn't around, and he started kissing and touching me. Joe is too strong, I must say. He carried me to the bed and tied my human with heavy rapture. I bleeded so much, but I enjoyed it. It was so sweet, especially when he was playing with my beads.
Wow, you are now a lady, you are not my child.
Yes, so
My dear, welcome.
thank you.
So, is that why you are not coming to school?
Yes.
Please and please again. Try and come before you create some awareness for yourself.
But it's very painful.
I know, but this is not sickness. If you are hungry and you get a food, it doesn't mean you should use your 2 hands to eat.
Okay.
So please, okay. Right, thank you. I'm going home. Rich love.
Yes, dear.
I will have it for you.
Rachel. Rachel. Uncle. You are still lying. Why? Are you still not okay?
No, I'm fine.
You are fine. You are fine.
Yeah.
Prepare. We will go to hospital.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
You are not going anywhere.
I'm fine. Besides, today is very good, more than yesterday.
But I'm not seeing it.
I'm not going
Hmm?
anywhere. Besides, we don't have any money in the house.
Who told you that we don't have money? Are you the one taking care of the house? Who asked you that? What is this? What is this? What do you call it? Anytime I ask you, you said you are better.
Yeah, I'm good. Can't you see? I'm fine. Can't you see?
It has been in this state for 3 days. And you are saying that it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. I'm giving you up to tomorrow. If it is the same after today, you'll go to hospital.
It won't be the same. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not sick. I won't go anywhere. I'm fine.
I don't know why you are afraid to go to hospital. She.
Go, baby. I won't go.
Go here. Sit there. Sit and talk. Is this a normal test?
Yes, it is a test.
Doctor, tell me. I need a small explanation. You are a gynecology.
Yeah.
How can a 15-year-old girl conceive?
Ask her.
Rachel, tell me it's not true. Please. One thing I dislike in my life is disgrace. Are you pregnant? Rachel, are you pregnant? Answer me. Why are you crying? Who impregnated you? Hey, I'm asking you. Who is responsible?
You see, Papa, you need to calm down. In situations like this, you don't need to be hard on her. You need to take it cool.
Doctor,
so
understood. But one thing about it is it's too strange, Doctor. And who is responsible? Jesus Christ. Okay, stop crying. Tell me, who impregnated you? I'm asking you a question and you are crying. Are you a Virgin Mary? Are you a Virgin Mary? Who impregnated you? What makes you conceive? Tell me.
And I think this is not the right time. Being hard on her will never let her speak. So you give her some time so that you just talk to her. I think she will open up to you.
Okay. Doctor, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. So I will come and see you. Don't worry, I'll come to your office. Mama, I called you and Aduma. And the reason for my call is simple. Rich Love was sick and I took her to the hospital. When I asked her to go with me, she was resisting that she won't go. Then I used force. After the examination, the doctor just came with a test report that she is pregnant.
Pregnant?
Ma'am, I have asked Rachel severally, but she refused to tell me the one who is responsible for the pregnancy. And I just told myself that I will call you. Maybe if you ask her, she will be telling you the one responsible, because I have tried my best. She's not answering. Anytime you ask, she will cry. So,
who got you pregnant? Tell me, who got you pregnant? Tell me.
Your mother is asking you and you are crying. Anytime you ask you this, you cry. Anytime you ask you this, you cry. Huh? So anytime you ask you this question, your answer is crying, right?
anytime I ask you, you cry. Anytime you also cry. Did that cry impregnated you? Who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Honey, talk to me. Who will impregnate you?
Amoako.
Ma.
So now, it has been confirmed that she's pregnant.
And the doctor just told me that...
I put the blame on you. I put all the blame on you.
Why?
Like how when you I don't think all these things would have happened.
Man, I clothed her. Anytime she asked for money, I give.
It's not about giving her money or buying clothes for her. It's not about that. Somebody
ma.
I don't know check it there. And now check it out on Pio.
Anytime. That made me wonder. You see, anytime I check on, I say,
and then how come? How come? Then you impregnated her.
Oh ma. Ma.
Don't mama me Amoako.
Why are you
put
saying
the blame
this?
on you?
You see, they are blaming me. They are blaming me. Please, tell us, who is responsible?
Rich Lab. Talk to Grandma. Who is responsible? Please.
Oh ma, let's ask her. Maybe the cry is responsible. Huh? The cry that you are crying impregnated you. Let us know.
What is all this? Hey, who is responsible? Adoma.
Marco, I trusted you to take good care of my daughter.
Sister.
But you failed me.
Sister, ask her. Sister, ask her. Why are you people blaming me? Huh?
Why we should it?
Solution, not tears. I'm also crying.
What?
To do now?
We have to abort it. Yes. We have to abort it. Yes. Are you okay? I'm okay. We have to abort it.
Never try it.
We can keep this. We can't keep it.
It can lead to death. And besides, it's sin upon sin. You don't know what the child will bring you. And maybe it's your first and last child. Abortion can lead to death.
Kusi nkusi. Koda. Sisi ayenye day. Have you told you?
No, I haven't.
Then tell him. My abortion can lead you to death.
Have you told anyone yet?
No, but my mom and my uncle knows. But I haven't mentioned your name.
Good girl. That's why I love you. You know something? I want you to go back to school. So I suggest you abort it. Yeah.
What?
I want you to abort it so you can go back to school.
You mean I should abort my baby?
Besides, it can lead me to death.
Who told you? Oh, Rich love, your education is at stake. All you need to think about is to go back to school. Think about it. You have to abort it.
I can't. No, I can't. I can't do that.
Rich
I don't
love.
want to die.
Rich love. Baby, think about it, okay? Besides, you're not the only person who is doing this. Everybody does it. All of them, they do it. Just understand it and take it off.
No. I don't want to die. I don't want to die young. No.
Rich love.
Do this.
Listen to me. You know I want the best for you. That's why I'm telling you to take it off. But it looks like you don't want it. Listen to me. If I hear somewhere that you have told someone that I impregnated you, I will kill you. You're such a stubborn girl. What is wrong with you? Who are you? Nobody should know that I did this to you. If...
But you did it. You are the one who got me pregnant.
I was the one that got you pregnant. I'm telling you to take it off. Don't you ever mention my name to someone that Joe did this to you, okay? If you want, only you want me to kill you. Stubborn girl. Look at you. Who the hell do you think you are?
Listen. I won't do it.
Good.
Besides, I'm not going to mention your name. God will help me. God will take care of me.
Rich love.
Thank you.
Are you cursing? Don't mention my name.
Mom,
if you couldn't take good care of my daughter, for her to end up like this, it's fine.
Adama,
I have nothing to tell you.
Adama, why are you blaming me? Ma, why are you blaming me? Answer. Huh? Did I follow you to school? I don't understand. Good care, good care, good. Could someone explain good care to me? Someone can define. Could someone define good care? I don't understand you. You can force a horse to a riverside, but you can't force it to drink.
That's all.
Life is choices. Adama, let me tell you today, blaming is not legacy. You see, what has happened has happened. So we must be focused and see what to do next. Huh? Stop blaming and let's solve the problem at stake. If I heard this from you, it makes me sad. Ebi amukodura, obechita mu de o, ona ni nyime.
Maria, tell me, I will not beat you. Who is responsible for that nonsense child? That thing in there. I will not beat you. Okay? Young Kuri, Maria. Young Kuri. Fadi Minigesia.
I guess telling now, Fadi. Yesterday is when you are not home, or even when you are asleep.
Subhanallah. Maria.
Stop crying. You don't have to cry. Adoma. What has happened has happened. The only thing we need now is solution. So you don't have to, blame yourself or, blame her. It has happened. Rachel, stop crying. Come on, sit down. Adoma, get yourself a seat. Hi.
You see what you've caused? You see what you've caused? I'm broke.
It's okay, it's okay. Wait now, stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. Adoma, she's just a little bit. Just leave it. It's okay. Hmm? Adoma. Adoma. Stop crying. Stop crying. Yeah? It has happened. What can you do? Hmm?
I have nothing to
The only thing we need now is solution. Finish.
Aiko.
Hey. Robert the goalkeeper. Kaniakaba.
Look at yourself.
Asana.
Look at yourself. Are you okay?
Very much okay.
Are you okay?
Asana, you slap.
Are you okay?
Asana.
Are you okay? Robert, the goalkeeper. Are you okay?
What did I do?
I mean, how can you get your own daughter pregnant? Tell me.
Wallahi talai, but you call me back.
Are you listening to yourself? Are you listening to yourself? By the time I'm through with you, you will know who Asana is. I mean, how can you do this as a man, a father? How can you do this to your daughter?
But you call me back. Now you Allah, but you call me back. But you call me back.
Are you listening to yourself? I mean, are you listening to yourself?
Asana, please. Whatever that has happened. So please, let's let everything go and see how we will solve this problem.
Rita,
Please.
are you listening to yourself? So is this why you asked me to come and sit here with this?
Asana. Asana. Please, Mr. Robert. Please, take it easy. It has already happened and there is nothing we can do about it. But please, I'll try and do something about it.
Asana, get close to your daughter. It's not her fault. Rita, Bang. Me, Asana, get close to that one, my rival. Nakiamaki, me, Bang. You don't have time for your husband and daughter. You've made your daughter do everything for your husband. Don't neglect her. Get close to her. Rita, please. So you don't want me to go and work? You mean I should stay home and sweep the house whilst I have a daughter? Rita, please. You see? This is the reason why all of this has happened. Oh. So, now you're saying that if I am busy, it gives Robert the right to go and sleep with his own daughter. Do you do it? Do you do it with him? Do you do it? I don't do it. That does not guarantee him as a father to sleep with his daughter. I mean, Rita, are you okay? Do you know where I'm coming from? Like, do you calculate it? A father with a daughter. Please. If I think about it, it makes me want to vomit. But I try. Yes! You will vomit.
Please, my name is Prince Osei Taikun, CID from Ghana Police Headquarters.
Please, this is my card. Hey. Now, I'm here to investigate a case. So I need your help. Do you know Mariam?
Yes, please.
How do you know her?
She's my friend, my bosom friend, and also my classmate.
Do you know Joe?
Yes, please, I know him. He's the one who got me pregnant.
Is he aware that you are pregnant?
Yes, I told him.
Okay, but take good care of yourself. Okay. And make sure you come home early.
One every summer fry on the end ay from your Womu pera so ho faswa eni pabi womua ayadana wo be ya mai na yes adese yamayani come frayo yamaontsepa sanebaya wo be ya mai famsa baby yes you better wasa famsa baby you better the man I say monto mani sham afraid monto manyo sham kadana frisawa mama founder every summer Friday and dash more to a knee, Mushakadayo, more to a no, Shakadai, Misawa, Powder, every summer Friday and the end dash.
Oh God, please help us. Yes, we cannot do this alone. Our children, our future. We need to protect our children. We must protect them. Any issue that comes into our way, let's first think about our children. Broken homes leads to the failure of our children's success. It does. Parents, let's do our duties to help our children. And our husbands need us more. What are you selling? And why are you selling? It's because of our children. Yes, it is because of them. Then think about them first.